It is sad that today Margao city, like my colleague has said, instead of being a smart city, has become a garbage city. We had the opportunity, however, this particular municipal council headed by Arthur De Silva, instead of taking a resolution to pass this pass this proposal onto the center, what they have done is they are more interested in passing resolutions for air conditions, changing of carpets, painting and playing football matches. Margao and Fattauda citizens, for the forthcoming elections, please open your eyes, be vigilant, and do not ever vote for these same councillors again, because you all are going to put yourselves in such a bad position.
In fact, today is a very disappointing day for the Margao Municipal Council and for the people of Margao, for a simple reason that Margao has been deprived today of being a smart city despite the government giving it on the platter to this council. The chairperson blames the urban development minister at the center for betraying Margao, which is absolutely wrong. I don't believe in that. He is totally wrong. He should blame himself and his council. I fail to understand why this council did not take a resolution and send a proposal to the government to give a privilege for Margao being a smart city.
At smart city करपाक पेंजीम इज म्हाका दिसता that is चोवपाक गेल्यार एक मडगांव परस कितलेशें दाखलें. एक हेजेर टेक्निकल ग्राउंडार पळोवपाक गेलें जाल्यार पेंजीम सिटीक दिलें तें म्हाका दिसता एक मडगांवचेर एक अन्याय केलो असो कित्याक मडगांव म्हणटा तें आमगेलें मडगांव फातोर्डा हे दोनी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी मेळ जाल्यार आमगे अबाव 1 lakh आमगे पॉप्युलेशन वयता, मोर दॅन 1 lakh, तुमकां तर खबर आसतलें. आनी मेन थिंग म्हणटा तें मडगांव आमकां थंय रेल्वे स्टेशन आहा. सो सेकेंड थिंग आमगेलो सगळ्यां हायेस्ट रेवन्यू एज अ कमर्शियल सेंटर जाता आमगेलें मडगांव म्हणटा तें हायेस्ट तुगेलें रेवन्यू जनरेट आमी करता. सगळें जे सेंट्रल सेल टॅक्स तुगेलें तें सगळें टॅक्स पेड बीट वयता तें मडगांवसान चड वयता. चड तुगेलें इट इज सारकें आमकां लागीं स्लम एरिया बी मातशें आसता न्हू. इट इज वेरी नेसेसिटी सारकें. आज पेंजीम जायते रोड आहाय, ट्राफीक डायवर्ट जाता, पूण मडगांवाक आमगेलो एकूच एज ए सिटी भितर सगळो एकूच स्ट्रेट रोडान येवपा पडटा. ताजे लागून हें सगळें टॅक्निकल ग्रावंड पळोवपाक गेलें जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता हेजेर चडशें कोणें स्टडी करिनासतना कडेन पेंजीम सिटी एप्रूव केला.